Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to s to the power of 5. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. And we have 5s to the power of 4 ds. Because we don't have number 5, so we need to divide both sides by number 5. This one we change by u. S to the power of 4 ds we change by this one. The integration of this one, we have 2 over 5 e to the power of u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.